Yaadman out and stunting, yeah. Kyle them thick like dumpling, yeah. You don't know, Stylo G I represent.
Alright,
man.
big up yourself, you know, brother.
Big
Thank
up.
you very much.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Oh, you mean people don't know say about Yaadman Etan? Alright, you know, we're there, Rum Jungle Orlando. And I don't know, so I just moved further Orlando, Florida. And to be honest, I've been looking for a nice place for spend my weekends in the Boshery here in Florida. And you know, a couple Google search here and there, and then boom bam, you know, meet a couple people, and here we are in Rum Jungle. And you see, tonight at Rum Jungle, this Saturday night is not no regular night, because guess what? Stylo G the dumpling boss in the place. You see me I say? So I got run into some people. I got ask them what them know about Stylo G. If they can boss one of Stylo G song them, if they know how to make dumpling and all them something there, what ingredients is used, you know, to make a dumpling them something there. You get me I say? And then hopefully you get some interaction with Stylo G later. Alright, people them, watch out now, we're going inside. Forward. Yo, brother, where your name and where you come from?
DJ Flacco from Linston.
Brother, where your name and where you come from?
Mish, come from Guyana.
I'm Malik, I'm originally from Montego Bay, but I reside here in Orlando.
Montego Bay. Yeah. So you said the 6 is real?
Repeat?
The 6 is real?
6 is real.
Hell, I'm from Europe.
My name is Lily. I'm from Rochester, New York.
Rochester, New York. Alright. Man, them, I don't know who there for tonight? Who come out for tonight?
Stylo G.
Stylo G. Stylo G. What your favorite Stylo G song?
Dumpling.
Dumpling. You know for make dumpling?
No.
You don't know for cook dumpling?
No.
You never boiled dumpling yet? What your favorite Stylo G song?
Dumpling.
Dumpling. You know for cook dumpling?
I mean that.
What your favorite type of dumpling?
Caramel dumpling.
Caramel dumpling. How you make caramel dumpling?
With caramel and water. Yeah.
And water?
You boil it.
How about the flour and the salt?
Yeah, that too.
And that too?
Yeah.
Alright.
All of that.
I am something there.
Yeah.
But right now, you know who we come up for support tonight?
Stylo G!
Stylo G. So what's your favorite Stylo G song?
Dumpling!
Dumpling. Alright. You can cook?
Yes!
You know which other food Stylo G talk about in a dumpling?
Pumpkin!
Alright. So you sweet like pumpkin?
Oh, of course it's sweeter than pumpkin! You know, vanilla pumpkin pie is sweeter than that!
Alright. So last thing now. You can cook dumpling?
Of course we can cook dumpling!
Why you use a cook dumpling?
So for me, I like to cook cornmeal dumpling, right? So we don't do normal flour dumpling because that way make you constipated.
What? Constipated?
So we mix the cornmeal with the flour, put the salt, the water, and then we knead the dough. So we sing.
Alright, so people them, I don't know say, but a chef right just on here things, you know. Alright. Wanna give me a line off a dumpling, quick and fast. Like a one line off a dumpling.
Bad man out and stunting.
Midtown can stick like dumpling.
Alright. People them, Stylo G later tonight, you see me I say? Up top. So, alright, so you're from Europe. Are you a fan of dancehall music?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So like, you know which artist we're out here supporting tonight, right?
Stylo G.
Stylo G.
Yeah, man.
Alright. What's your favorite Stylo G song?
Dumpling.
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 Yeah. Alright, so talk to me. You know how to make a dumpling Jamaican style?
Me not really know.
Alright, so take a guess. It's 4 ingredients. Take a guess of what's in a dumpling.
Me know some bread. Some
flour.
Yeah.
Yeah. About, there's a cornmeal dumpling. You have cornmeal. Right?
Alright.
Some water.
Water, yeah.
And one more thing.
One more thing.
Yeah. Well, like a flavor. What do you think?
Me put some rum there.
Eh?
Me put some rum in there.
They want to say rum in the dumpling.
Some spice.
Yo, but can't complain with that. Yo, brother, big up yourself in the boss.
respect, man,
All right, thank you. So, like, are you a fan of dancehall music?
Of course.
Of course. So you know which artists are out here to see live in performance, right?
Yes.
Stylo G and all these things. The dumpling boss himself. So Stylo G, you know, everybody that I've interviewed all night said that them love him song, Dumpling.
Yo, wait, pause. Yo, hear me a second, man. Before anybody in the comment section come talk about, oh, Yaadman, why you so close? Yo, you can't use the power for the girl, you can't get the girl so space, man. Yo, hear me a second, man. In the club, it did loud. Alright, it's so loud, you can barely even hear the music in there play. Alright, it's that loud. And the reason why I can't tell because my microphone good. You see me? I can't hear everything good because I make sure so I get the good equipment them so I can't deal with the type of foolishness so me have to go through to get good content for Uno. Plus she did run up under my arm. Yeah, that's why the girl is so close. Continue.
So do you know how to make a dumpling Jamaican style?
I work for John Young and Colonial Sunshine Bakery.
Wait, what?
I work for Sunshine Bakery.
Oh.
I don't know how to make no dumplings.
Alright. What you want? Alright, fried dumpling or a boiled dumpling? Which one do you prefer?
Boiled dumpling and have some seasoning.
Alright. So take a guess of the ingredients that's required in a boiled dumpling.
Salt, flour, that's all I know.
And water. Alright.
And water.
So people them, right now, we are going past Stylo G. Stylo G is just set the stage. You see me, I said. Ready or no?
Boom.
Yeah, you see me? Every girl you see me when I feel it. Every girl you see me when I feel it. Yeah, what's your style and all mix? Yeah. Lay to the side like danger. Yeah. See them I sing like swing song. Yeah. Them light skin girlfriend like me. Even though we black like King Kong. She like when they put up on the income. Yeah. Man, oh, that's something. Everything from Paris, whatever. Who's the free pass content? Who's the free pass content? Who's the free pass content right now? Everybody's the free pass content. Just go slow, man. Why are you there? You're gonna be doing it. Hey, ha. Come on, guys, we got food. Where about that? We got food. It's a little bit. Hey, I want to see the street. Go speaking and pick the street.
I tell you God true before me even introduce someone here.
Yeah.
I've been a fan of yours since 2014, is it me I say?
Yardy.
Yardy.
Yeah.
And them time that me become a Yardy, I come a foreign the first time, is it me I say? So I say, I really and truly appreciate me get to meet you in a person, is it me I say? So I have just 3 questions I want to ask you. One.
Yeah.
What's your favorite type of dumpling?
Favorite type of dumpling?
Favorite type of dumpling.
Caramel dumpling, but not too much caramel.
Yeah, not too much, just the right balance on them. So.
Yeah, mommy know the balance. Yeah. Not even me can get the balance more time.
Alright. Next thing now.
Yeah.
Come in, they ask you this on Instagram, and just laugh.
Yeah.
When they do make touchdown, I know so this is a while ago, you know, but when they miss the line and say 2 black in a line, Bleach and Cartel say, what?
Yeah.
They know what go on them time there? They know what them did?
Nah man, I say it going on. You have to be yourself, you know.
Yeah.
I'm me and Bleach and him are the Bleach God.
Yeah.
So him just boom, do him thing and fix it. And he say, what? So it's a character.
Okay.
So it makes sense.
Yeah.
Me say me not Bleach and him I say, what?
Yeah,
He would have Bleach.
Yeah. Because by the time I see the man step out in him, you know, dark again, you know, I was like, okay.
No, dark now Bleach again in him, I hear the king.
Alright. And last thing, Stylo, I'm just ask for I drop my name, Yaadman, is it me I say?
DJ Yaadman or just Yaadman?
No, just Yaadman.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yaadman out and stunting, yeah. Kyle them thick like dumpling, yeah. You don't know, Stylo G I represent.
Alright,
Mad.
big up yourself, brother.
Big
Thank
up.
you very much.
Yeah man, respect me. Yeah man.